Google Stitch vs Claude Design, who wins? Two AI tools, both just dropped. And Figma stock fell 35% this year because of them. Let's find out which one actually wins. Here's the thing, two of the biggest AI design tools ever built just landed within weeks of each other. Google Stitch got a massive overhaul in March 2026. Claude Design dropped on April 17th, and right now people are choosing sides. Tested both, and I'm going to tell you exactly what each one does, where each one wins, and which one you should actually use. Let's start with Google Stitch because it came first and because right now it is completely free. Stitch launched at Google I/O back in May 2025. At the time, it was pretty simple. You typed a prompt, it gave you one screen. That was basically it. The March 2026 update, that's when it became something totally different. Here's what Stitch can do now. You describe a full user journey in plain English, and it builds up to 5 connected screens all at once. Not just one screen, 5. With consistent fonts, consistent colors, consistent components, all linked together. You hit play and you can actually click through the whole flow like it's a real app. That's wild. The canvas is infinite. You're not stuck in one frame anymore. You can drag ideas around, work on multiple versions at the same time, bring in images, screenshots, rough sketches, and Stitch uses all of it as context. There's a design agent running in the background tracking every decision you make across the whole project. And here's the part that I think most people are sleeping on. Voice. You can literally talk to the canvas loud. Ask for 3 different menu layouts. Ask it to switch the color palette. Ask it to critique your current design. It responds in real time. That's a genuinely different way to work. On the exports, Stitch sends your designs to Figma, exports clean HTML and CSS, and connects directly to Google AI Studio and a tool called Anti-Gravity for building the full app on top. There's also an MCP server, which means it connects to tools like Cursor and Claude Code, so developers can implement the designs automatically. The pricing, completely free. 150 standard generations per month, 50 high-quality generations per month. No credit card, no paid plan. Google hasn't announced one yet, so who is Stitch built for? It's for anyone who needs to move fast on a UI idea, product people who need to test 3 versions of a screen before a meeting, business owners who want to prototype something without hiring a designer, people who want to go from idea to something visual in under 5 minutes. Jinkan Veska, a back-end engineer who writes about production AI systems, said his current workflow is start in Stitch to explore fast, then move to Claude Design when it's time to polish and hand off. Now a quick one. If you want to go deeper on tools like these and actually learn how to use AI design in your business to get more leads and more clients, the AI Profit Boardroom has a full 30-day roadmap built around AI automation tools like these. We've got members in there right now using both Google Stitch and Claude Design to build landing pages, design client work, and create assets that used to take them days in under an hour. 4 live coaching calls every week, daily tutorials, business owners already inside. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Back to it. Claude Design. Claude Design launched April 17th, 2026 through Anthropic Labs. It's available at Claude Design. It runs on Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most capable model. And the way it works is totally different to Stitch. Stitch is canvas first. Claude Design is conversation first. You've got a chat panel on the left and the canvas on the right. You describe what you want, Claude builds it, and then you refine it through the conversation. You can leave inline comments on specific parts of the design. You can describe exactly what you want to change, and Claude rebuilds it. Here's the key thing that makes Claude Design different. It's code first. The output isn't just a picture of a design, it's actual deployable HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The thing Claude builds, you can actually use it. You can take it straight to Claude Code and have the rest of the app built on top of it. That loop, design to code to full product, is really tight. Claude Design also does things Stitch doesn't touch. Presentations, pitch decks on pages, marketing assets. You can ask for animated components, 3.js powered 3D scenes, parallax effects, interactive visualizations. Stitch doesn't do any of that. Stitch is focused on web and mobile UI. Claude Design is broader.